One of the best coconut cake recipes is simple and delicious. Here's how to make it. So the ingredients, I'll put everything in the description, by the way. 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of butter, 2 eggs, a cup of coconut milk, a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of shredded coconuts. Instructions: preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. It's 175 Celsius. Grease a round cake pan. Okay, once after you grease it, number 2, in a large bowl, cream together until the sugar and the butter become smooth. And the eggs, one at a time, you put them in after each other. Number 3, pour the coconut milk. Mix it until combined. Number 4, in another bowl, combine the flour and the baking powder and the salt. Slowly add this to the wet mixture, stirring gently. Number 5, finally fold in the shredded coconut. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. That's a good trick. Let it cool before frosting. You can top it with whipped cream or with more shredded coconut. This coconut cake is moist, sweet, and perfect for parties or desserts at home. Enjoy. Again, everything I said is in the description.